Is it the best time to start? Okay. Come on. Yup. It's traffic, it's Saturday, and that's a Tata Harrier. And let me begin. So, what's up, people? It's Ayush, and this is traveling time. And I know it's been a very long time since any of this has happened, but you know, it was long overdue. And let's begin. Okay, it's been a very sunny morning. It's Saturday. I'm going to office. I know it sucks, but that's life, right? Life is boring sometimes, but that's how it's gonna happen. Well, how are you all? I know I've not been traveling very much. In past also, I didn't travel much, but these days I have several reasons not to. First of all, this fucking temperature, man. Look at that. Look at the temperature. You cannot look, you can only feel it. If you can feel it, man, it's really very hot. I mean, it's 9 in the morning and it's already 35 degrees Celsius. So, North India is going through such a bad heat wave. It's red alert. So what should I say on this nice looking morning of Saturday? What should I vlog about, man? That is a really confusing thing these days, for me at least, because I don't talk much. I'm just a cool kind of guy. But I would definitely love to show you my daily travel, which is this boring path from these boring roads. Well, it is boring because look, we are not even in Chandigarh right now, but we are about to enter that. And well, as you can see, welcome to the Chandigarh, the city beautiful. And here we are. What's up, man? What's up? Yep. And my jet propulsion system has started off, and if you can hear the voice now, that's my radiator fin blowing out the hot air out of the engine, and that's how loud it is. If you can even hear it right now. You know, it's been very difficult these days in this sweltering heat to even go outside. I mean, come on, that temperature today is still much better than it was yesterday, because there was news of some rains and snow in the neighboring mountains of Chandigarh, so the temperature is a little bit much, little better. But still, man, this is only the beginning of the day. By the night time it will become really, not by night time but by evening, it will become really hot. I mean, even at 6 o'clock the temperatures are around 44-45 degrees Celsius over here. Just imagine all the other regions suffering from the heat wave, man. I mean, just imagine the heat in Rajasthan, which is, the hottest place in India, I guess. Not sure, but I think, because that's why it is a desert, right? And okay, so this is the inside of the industrial area, the Chandigarh. If you haven't seen that, there are many car showrooms and hotels around this place, and it is quite nice, It is a beautiful looking place as per industrial area standards. I've seen in other cities, but I have not been to many cities. That's an Audi, that's a Ford. Yep. And that's a cyclist. Yep. That's how they do it over in Chandigarh. Over in India. Okay, that's I don't know if it was captured. That was a big Shivaji temple on my left, and that's the green part, the beautiful part of this city. I mean, ooh, man. So what are we going to do? Yep, we are going to take a turn, man. We are going to take a turn on this side, and well, this is sector 31 of Chandigarh. At least I can take you on a informative guide from wherever I'm passing. This is sector 31, and a little ahead we are approaching the Japanese garden. If you can see this on my right as well as on my left. Yep, that's Japanese garden, man. Never been to this place, but I have heard that it is a very nice place, so I will check it out someday. Okay, this is the beauty of Chandigarh. Okay, so many trees on each side. That's what makes it a little more tolerable than if you are in Delhi or any other metro city. That is soothing to the eyes. I mean, that is the only thing which kind of makes us happy traveling every day. I mean, at least for me, I just love nature, and it is kind of beautiful, man. It is kind of really very beautiful, actually. Has been a heavenly day because there hasn't been much traffic, and that is quite awesome, man. If you would have seen on a Monday, I will show you soon, man. what the hell the situation is on Monday. But for the time being, let's enjoy this beautiful Saturday morning, this hot sweltering heat, which is soon going down into a nice looking evening someday. So finally I have reached my destination. I will soon be in my office. So I hope you loved this vlog, which was kind of like shooting on my bike, because nothing much to do. And okay, so I hope you have a great time watching this and in journal as well, and I will see you soon. Bye.